एटा को x ले कोन 8 into x square plus 5 रो पावर 8 minus 1 into d by dx of x square plus 5, right? That is 8 into x square plus 5 रो पावर 7 into d by dx of x square plus d by dx of 5. Bracket is very important here, okay? So x square plus 5 to the power 7 into 2x plus 0, that is 16x into x square plus 5 to the power 7. Answer 2. 1 by x square plus 5 x square plus sin x, 1 by x cube na x square, x cube is na x square देजी, guys?
U.
Okay, plus sin x whole square, that is equal to d by dx of x cube plus sin x whole power minus 2, that is minus 2 into x cube plus sin x power minus 3 into d by dx of x cube plus sin x, right? That is minus 2 to x cube plus sin x power minus 3 sin x power minus 3 into 3x square plus cos x, right? That's you, that is minus 2 into 3x square plus cos x by x cube plus sin x power minus 3, sorry, power 3. तळू गिले ले Next question. d by dx of ln root x plus 1, that is 1 by root x plus 1 into d by dx of root x plus 1, that is 1 by root x plus 1 whole to the x like 1 by root x plus 1 ln x ର ଡେରିଭେଟିଭ कोन 1 by x, এটা যদি x নাই যদি ln x ର ଡେରିଭେଟିଭ ହେଲା 1 by x into d by dx of x, x মানে কেতে root x plus 1, right? Into d by dx of root x plus d by dx of 1, that is 1 by root x 1 by 2 root x na, sorry, not it is root x plus 1 into 1 by 2 root x plus 0, that is 1 by 2 root x into root x plus 1, okay? That is 1 by 2 x plus root x. root x टा गुंदली भितर को जागा डाउट रहला मते पछारियो होला कोन कर दोछि खाली एटा कोन अछि ओके 4 नंबर आंसर देखु तो जोटा आंसर न आसला मते कहबो हां 4 नंबर d by dx of sin 5x plus cos 7x, right? Mr. Plus अच्छी तो अलावा करिए, that is dy dx of sin 5x plus dy dx of cos 7x, right? ताकि इटा को x बोलना 5x टाको x बोलना, right? तो sin 5x उधर इटू कितना? Cos 5x into dy dx of 5x plus cos का कितने? Minus sin 7x into dy dx of 7x, that is cos 5x into 5 minus sin 7x into 7, that is 5 cos 5x minus 7 sin 7x. Okay. Next, 5 number dy dx of कौन देजी ये इधर कौन देजी क्वेश्चन पढ़ लो
e to the power sin t.
इधर sin t, okay,
E to the power sin t, sir.
okay, इधर sin t is equal to इधर sin t into dy dt of divide x t t लिखियो है ना, divide dt of sin t कहेंगे e to the x डेरिवेटिव कितने e to the x into एटा को x नहीं जो एटा को इसमें तार डेरिवेटिव कितने e to the तार डेरिवेटिव करिए e to the derivative of sin t, right? that is e to the sin t into cos t. 6 number dy dx of root over ax square plus bx plus c, right? So root x डेरिवेटिव करो 1 by 2 root x, that is 1 by 2 root over ax square plus bx plus c into dy dx of ax square plus bx plus c, that is 1 by 2 root over ax square plus bx plus c into डेरिवेटिव कितना dy dx of देखा जाए तो देखा जाऊँ dy dx of ax square plus dy dx of bx plus dy dx of c, right? That is 1 by 2 root over ax square plus bx plus c into ax square derivative a into dy dx of x square plus b into dy dx of x plus 0. Constant derivative 0, right? That is 1 by
देखा जाऊं सर
हाँ कौन है
देखा जाऊं सर
कहीं देखा जाओ तो देखा जाओ तो
दूसरी सर आगे बीजर कोड
ax plus b by এটা কোনটা তুমি লিখতে পারো a into 2x plus b into 1, that is 2ax plus b by 2 root over ax square plus bx plus c, है ना? सात नंबर dy dx of x plus 1 by x square plus 3, x square plus 3 होगा बहुत आवाज करती है तो लुगा करती है -3 ना -2 -3, right? That is -3 हाँ तो कौन सा इधर
sir.
कौन है कौन कौन को
No, sir. 2, sir. -2.
-2 ओके
Yes, sir.
-3 -2 into
Sir, -3.
माइनस
Nice,
थ्री
sir.
सर माइनस
Good, sir.
-3.
-3 to -3 x plus 1 by x square plus 3 to power -2.
हाँ ठीक है जा लिखी ठीक लिखी अच्छा into d by dx of x plus 1 by x square plus 3 କାହିଁକି ଏଟା x ଦ୍ୱାରା n ଆକାରରେ ତ ଏଇଟାକୁ x ନେଇଯାଅ x ନେଲେ କଣ ହବ n into x ର ପାୱାର n minus 1 ତ -3 -1 -4 into d by dx of ଯାକୁ x ନେଇଯାଅ ତାକୁ x ନେଇଯାଅ x plus 1 by x square plus 3 କୁ right ତା derivative that is -3 into x plus 1 by x square plus 3 ର ପାୱାର -4 ଏଟା ଆମେ କଣ କରିବା u by v ପକେଇବା x square plus 3 into d by dx of x plus 1 minus x plus 1 into d by dx of x square plus 3 by x square plus 3 the power the whole square, right? এটা উল্টে দেওয়া রাইট -4 কাই রক্ষা উল্টে দেওয়া হলে ডিগ্রিটা 4 ইনটু দ্যাট ইজ -3 x স্কয়ার প্লাস 3 -3 x square plus 3 by x plus 1 the whole power x square plus 3 by x plus 1 the whole power 4 उल्टे देली हैला से जो थिला सेटा उल्टे देली -4 थिला उल्टे देली बराबर है यू ओके ता आवाज को देली को डाले right into r derivative right 4 into ना कौन राइट सॉरी x square plus
Sir.
3 हाँ
Sir, sir, x plus 1 by x square plus 3 ଟା ଆଗରୁ ଓଲଟେଇରି 3 କଲେ ହବନି ସାର୍
हबो हबो
3
जाउ दिन सदस्य
ସାର୍ ହବ
जाउ दिन सदस्य सिंधी
ହଁ
बोलो
ସାର୍
x square
ହଁ ସାର୍
plus 3 okay x square plus 3 into d by dx of x square कितना 1 plus 1 derivative 0 right minus x plus 1 into x square derivative 2x plus 3 derivative 0 by x square plus 3 the whole square हेलो ना ଏବେ ଆଜି ତ ହବନି କାଲି ଆଉଥିବ ତାର 6:15 ହେଲାଣି ନା 6:15 ପରେ ମୁଁ କାଉ ଏଲାଉ କରିନି ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ଏବେ କାଉ ଏଲାଉ କରିନି ଲିଙ୍କ ପଠାଇ ସାରିଲାଣି ପିଲାମାନେ ପଠାଇ ସାରିଲାଣି ଗ୍ରୁପରେ ସେଟା ଗ୍ରୁପରେ ପଠେଇଥିଲେ ଝିଅଟା କଣ ଏକ୍ସଟ୍ରା ପଠାବ କି okay that is -3 x square plus 3 by x plus 1 कियोटे मोर यूजर नेम पासवर्ड सब पठे दिए ग्रुप रे के एबे काउ मु तो एलाउ करिनी पठेले कोन हो 4 that is it was x square plus 3 minus 2x square minus 2x right by x square plus 3 the power square minus 3 into x square plus 3 to the power 4 by x plus 1 to the power 4 into minus x square minus 2x plus 3 by x square plus 3 का होल स्क्वायर कटला 2 राइट देखिए सर minus 3 x square plus 3 का पावर 2 by x plus 1 का पावर 4 तो माइनस टा गुण दियो माइनस टा गुण देगे ला माइनस टा गुण देले कौन हो x square plus 2x minus 3 right that is 3 into x square plus 3 का पावर 2 by x plus 1 का पावर 4 into x square plus 3x minus x minus 10 3 into x square plus 3 का पावर square by x plus 1 का whole fourth right x को बना ले x plus 3 minus 1 को बना ले x plus 3 right that is 3 into x square plus 3 3 into x square plus 3 the square by x plus 1 the fourth into x minus 1 into x plus 3 देखो आंसर कौन सा है ओके नेक्स्ट है 8 नंबर sec of tan theta right theta थिले d theta ना बोला d by d theta ना हो x लिख दो नहीं sec of tan theta that is sec theta এটা তো right এটা আমি কোন করিয়া actually হবে right sec x এটা একটু কোন sec x into tan x এটা actually লিখছে right sec x এটা একটু কোন sec x actually লিখতে tan theta into tan x মানে tan theta right sec tan theta into d by d theta of कर aku tan theta that is sec of tan theta into tan of tan theta into tan theta equal to sec square theta. This is the answer. Next 10 number 9 number d by dx of sine of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square so sin theta right sin x derivative करते cos x तो इटा का हम x लेवा sin x derivative करते हो cos x right that is equal to cos of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square right जागो x नहीं जिता derivative d by dx of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square right that is cos of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square into u by v equal v into d by dx of u minus u into d by dx of v by 1 plus x square whole square that is cos of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square, right, into d by dx of 1 raised to the 1 raised to 0 minus x square raised to minus 2x, 0 minus 2x, right, minus 1 minus x square into 1 raised to 0 plus x square raised to 2x by 1 plus x square whole square. That was like cos of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square into देखा दोस्तों into इधर कितना है minus 2x 1 plus x square minus 2x into 1 plus x square इधर कितना है minus 2x into 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square whole square. That is cos of